Hey YouTube, welcome to another fingerstyle ukulele tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to play Something Just Like This by Coldplay and the Chainsmokers. If you want a tab sheet, go grab yours at patreon.com and follow along. Let's begin. There it is. I hope you enjoyed Something Just Like This by Coldplay and the Chainsmokers. Be sure to pick up that tab sheet at patreon.com, and the link is in the description if you want that. Leave your comments below how you enjoyed this song. Alright guys, we'll see you next time. Bye.